thanks for checking us out, Lost Mines. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's go and look for a mine.
53 now. That's what it's called.
Yeah.
Coming free, Luke?
Yep. It's perfect. Look at those stopes. I love those ore chutes. They're coming from the wrong side though. They're coming from the wall.
How come?
It must just be that the stoping's wider above the level.
Oh, what's this?
No idea. What in the world is that? And what is this, a pipe next to it?
It's one of those thingy, air compressed pipes,
Oh,
isn't it?
yeah.
So I went under this way. I'm going to keep pulling that thing on. Go under this ore chute. What a level.
Wow. And the compressed air pipes just stopped, didn't it? There was no air tank, no drills.
That's a shame. So it was just amazing to see.
Listen, and you know, we are the first people to see this level in over 100 years. At the end of the day, no matter what's down there, we are seeing this for the first time in 100 years.
Oh, you can't swim it, you can't walk it.
Absolutely.
It's on the ROV.
Absolutely. This ROV is our eyes. Hey, there's the wagons. There they are.
Have a look inside them.
Yeah, let's have a good old look at them.
Just in case there's...
Worship the
Is
wagons.
that a tool inside?
Oh. What is that?
It
There's
is.
a shovel. There's a shovel inside the wagon. Oh my god. There's a shovel inside the wagon. Oh, look at that. They just chucked the shovel into the wagon at the end of the day and left.
How about that? Look at that.
Whoa. That is quite something.
That's amazing.
Anything in the other one?
We'll have a look. Nothing.
Nothing.
Anyway. Find which way I
Right,
came
yeah,
in.
which way did we go? It's going up.
I came in under here. So if you keep
The
going-
cable's going up.
Yeah, just skip one. So if you pull in the slack, there we go, we're on the skip
Cool.
way. If we look down, we see how
Can you see him?
Yep. So now we've got to squeeze it through that. Right, let's
Up a little bit.
just go back up,
Yeah.
get our bearings. Right, okay.
Okay, spin round.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
We're sorted now.
There we go.
There we go.
So down to the platform and turn right, isn't it?
That's correct. There's the platform.
Yeah. Under or over the ladder? Under the ladder.
Don't think it'll fit through that.
Oh no?
No.
Go over the top.
Try. Nope.
Go under the ladder then.
It's blowing that dirt off the... Don't think it'll fit under. Let's try over right. Let's go
Yeah.
over here.
Ah.
Up. Okay, that's down. Press the wrong button.
Oh yeah, down that way. And over the top. That's it. And straight down. Yes.
Oh,
Buckets!
Look.
Buckets! Buckets!
Look at all the tools.
Oh!
Look at all the tools.
Oh my god! Hold it still, hold it still.
I don't think it's a level. The wheelbarrow.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's an upside down wheelbarrow! Oh, look at that! Oh, look!
That's amazing.
Gee whiz! Whoa.
That's amazing.
Let's go alongside the wheelbarrow. The tracks go off this way too.
Tell you what, we'll do it on the way back.
Okay.
Because it'll be easier then. When I
Yeah,
turn round.
okay.
Look at all the ventilation.
Oh wow, they're all
the
stacked up.
compressed pipes.
Yeah, they're all stacked up on the floor.
I think this is a storage level.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Look at it.
Whoa.
Wow. This is something else.
Jeez, what's this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just timber, is it? Yeah. Wow. And it goes.
Amazing.
Gee.
What's that? Looks like the end of the road to me.
It does a bit.
I think it is. Yeah, that's the end.
Is it?
The end, yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's their shed.
It's the shed. Wow, how about that?
Keep all the goodies. Let's go back to that barrow.
I want to look at the wheelbarrow.
Yeah. I have to silt it up.
Yeah.
Where is it? Can you see it?
There it is. There it is. Right. Because I want to take a still screenshot. So if you can hold it really still as we go around it, that'd be great. That's gorgeous. That is
That
gorgeous.
is a beauty.
How about that, folks?
Do you like that?
Now look at it. Oh, yes.
Haha,
Yes.
that's amazing.
That's the real deal.
It's complete.
It's absolutely complete.
Right. Now the tricky bit.
Yeah, here's where the fun starts.
I hope you like that, folks.
So what's interesting, of course, is that the level going the other way beyond the wagons ends, but these stopes carry on.
Right.
So maybe halfway up the incline, they go further to the side. Oh, that was easy.
And how about that then? People?
Wow.
Hope you liked that one.
That was a pretty cool explore.
And there's our head torches.
Yeah, you can see us.
Thanks for watching it.
Absolutely.
We enjoyed it. We've got more to do. And please like, subscribe and share. And all the best to you.
Ciao for now.